1, 2, 3, 4 is automatic.
Okay.
This one is when you press this one. Now machine is cold. This one is automatically stop. But this two is manual.
This
you can
manual,
start and then stop manually.
Okay.
Okay, these two.
Yes.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is automatically.
Yes.
So you can calibrate different water dosing. If you need here 30 milli, you can. If you need here 60 milli, you can. If you 45 milli, you can. Different type.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So this is single. This is double.
This is
It's only
max is yani if you make here 30 milli single,
it will become
30 milli double.
it's the same. Yeah.
It have to you. No, specialist coffee is not exact.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
Now the time of specialty coffee.
Yeah. Okay.
I have special.
It have to you.
Yeah. Up to us.
انه يعني الشاط يكون كم ما نقدر نقلله؟
30 كلها صح؟
لا
ولا كم؟
لا هي احنا حنسويها يعني حنشوف الحين خلينا نشوف.
So your machine is heating. This is the sign for heating. This sign is for heating. Here is bar. This bar it will be come standard is 1.3.
مو واضح
1.3.
1.3, but Tabuk is more cold area, so you put in 1.4.
Okay.
You can increase and decrease the temperature of your brewing water.
This is the water.
You can increase and decrease.
Yeah. I think it should be. This is Celsius, centigrade. It's 93, 92.
Yes,
This one.
Celsius.
Celsius. So how is 1 point? I didn't understand 1 point.
1.3 is standard for your coffee.
1.3.
1.3 is the standard for
Celsius.
your coffee.
So 103.
If maximum customer need more hot, so you can play. You can increase or
increase.
decrease. Yeah.
So
We'll make it the standard one.
After machine is heating now. This is a sign for heating, blinking.
Yes.
This one is coming by 0. It will be coming 1.3. Your machine will be start.
This one become 1.3.
If your machine is cold, now the machine is cold. If you press any button, it's showing. Please wait. Machine is cold.
Okay. It should take time.
Only the manual is working. When your machine is cold, automatic is not working.
Yes. This is cold water, right?
Cold
Yes,
water.
cold water.
This one is the hot water for tea, and this the two steam.
شغل كيف يا عم؟
أنا مشغل. Okay, this is the two steam.
And the hot water tea button is these two. And this is the button for cleaning. This is the button for cup warmer.
This one here.
Yeah.
That's become hot.
Hot. Yeah.
This one for
This one hot water tea.
hot water?
It becomes
Hot water
from
tea.
where?
Tea. You can operate these two.
Good.
These two, 1 and 1, 2.
It will be hot water.
Yeah. And this one is programming, these two. And this one is for cleaning your machine.
Yes, okay.
Before closing,
Every day.
every day, but need cleaning. This one is, don't forget, sir.
This is the most important.
Every day we need
most
to clean it.
important thing.
Yes.
You can clean automatically also or manual. The system automatically will also clear.
Okay.
Cleaning. Or manual. It's up to you.
Okay, so
But cleaning daily.
daily, yeah. So I will learn both, and then I will. Yeah. Okay. And this hot water comes from where? Here?
This two is for your group handle for coffee.
Yes.
And this one hot water for tea.
This is for tea, only
Hot
for tea.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It will be giving you hot water
Correct,
directly.
maybe.
Yeah.
Zanjabil,
Directly. And then there is inside system.
ginger.
Inside there is system, but